Come on! Is everyone? I always loved the guns and shooting. My uncle used to take me on portrait shoots from the age of 7 onwards. And I just walked with him, with my air gun in this beautiful weather and wilderness. Very cool. My parents' generation had grown up under colonial rule. There was such passion for Pakistan as an independent country, and the disillusionment always that it was not living up to what the ideals were for what we should have been and what we've become. A predatory state. You can't call this an Islamic society. Oh God, that was fun. Listen. What's the matter with you? How are we going to eat it if we don't kill it, huh? No, you don't have to eat it. Offense, it probably. Be like this girl. Stop being such a pansy. My older son always begs me to get out of politics. He's scared that something will happen to me. When Benazir got assassinated, it was so difficult to console him. You know the danger of politics. Physical danger. I weighed all this up. Do I want this life? But once I took the decision, then, whatever comes with it, you have to accept it. If you want to live in Pakistan, you have to fight for it.